Is it time to buy or sell RBNE Energy Ltd stock? In this video, we are diving deep into RBNE Energy Ltd. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday the 13th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of June, 2025, our system has ranked RBNE Energy Ltd as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 392.28% since we first recommended buying RBNE Energy Ltd 5 days ago. This results in an impressive average return of 78.46% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to forecast the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. Our latest daily update for RBNE Energy Ltd highlights significant movements in the stock price on Friday, with fluctuations of 89.72% between the high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, the stock price of RBNE Energy Ltd increased by 317.91%, climbing from $3.35 to $14. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 89.72%, ranging from a low of $10.80 to a high of $20.49. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has surged 410.95% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 100 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 100 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.65, while the lowest was $1.32. Currently, the price stands 43.20%, or $10.65, below the 52-week high of $24.65, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analysts have assigned RBNE Energy Ltd stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is assessed as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for RBNE Energy Ltd. The stock of RBNE Energy Ltd shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $4.51 and $3.07. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 488.24%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for RBNE Energy Ltd. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and considering its trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. In the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $9.69 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 89.72%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 27.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for RBNE Energy Ltd, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often influenced by factors outside their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's explore some potential day trading levies for RBNE Energy Ltd. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there's also no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and only consider making trades if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.57, reflecting a decrease of 3.04%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 98. Significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is RBNE Energy Ltd stock a good buy? RBNE Energy Ltd presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of June, we anticipate that RBNE Energy Ltd will open higher by $1.10, starting at a price of $15.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.